In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize checkout page on Wix. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard. This is the main control center for your website, and it is where you can manage settings, content, design, and marketing tools. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where Wix groups the major areas of your site, so you can quickly find what you need. From that left side menu, click on Marketing and SEO. In some Wix layouts, this section may appear slightly different, but the wording is usually very close. After that, click SEO or SEO Tools, depending on the version of the dashboard you are seeing. Wix sometimes updates the names of menu items, so do not worry if your screen looks a little different. The important part is that you are opening the SEO section for your site. Next, select SEO Settings. On some accounts, this may also be labeled SEO Setup Checklist or Manage SEO Settings. These are simply different labels for the area where you control how your pages appear in search and in browser tabs. Once you are there, you will see a list of pages connected to your website. Find the home page in that list. When you locate it, click the three dots next to it, or click the edit icon if that is what appears on your screen. This will open the page-specific SEO options for your home page. Now look for the field labeled SEO Title, which may also be called Title Tag. This is the text that appears in the Browser tab and can also be used by search engines when showing your page in results. In this field, enter the title exactly as you want it to appear. Be careful with spelling and capitalization, because this is the version visitors and search engines may see. Once you have entered the title, go to the top right corner of the page and click Save. Saving makes sure your change is applied and kept in your Wix settings. That is the full process. If the labels on your screen are slightly different, just follow the same path through the SEO area and look for the matching options. That covers everything you need to know.